Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today's topic is exchanging money, how to write rupees and paise using the decimal point, addition of money, subtraction of money. So let's start with exchanging money. What do you mean by the exchanging of money? Suppose you want to purchase an item and whose price is 50 rupees, but you don't have 50 rupee note. Then you can pay different combinations of notes of 50 rupees. Okay, suppose I want to purchase an item of 50 rupees, but I don't have 50 rupee note. So we can pay different combination of notes that are commonly used. You can pay different combination of coins that are commonly used. Suppose you can pay rupees 20 note plus rupee 20 note plus rupees 10 note. If you add them, you will get 50. That is called exchanging money. Whatever you want to buy or purchase anything, suppose you want to purchase rupees 100, but you don't have 100 rupee note, then you can pay different combination of notes or coins. That is called exchanging money. You can also pay. If you don't have 20 rupee note, then you can pay rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10, rupees 10 and rupees 10. 5 tens. 5 times rupees 10. So this is called exchanging money. Okay. Suppose you want to buy a chocolate of 5 rupees, but you don't have 5 rupee coin or 5 rupee note, then you can pay rupees 2 plus rupees 2 plus rupees of coin, 1 rupee coin. So in total it would be 5. So valuation must be same, but combination will be different. So that is called exchanging money. So let's see what is in the exercise. Tick the correct choice. This is in page number 179. You can see this kind of problems. Tick the correct choice. You have 10 rupee note, but you want to exchange with other denominations, other combination of notes. So you cannot exchange with first option because it is only the 5 rupee coin, but you have 10 rupee coin. Your valuation now it is different. But if you go to the option B, rupees 5 plus rupees 5, so that is 5 plus 5 is 10. So you can exchange with this 5 rupee note. Okay, so this is called exchanging. Similarly, question number B. This question number B, you can also exchange with option B because this is 1 rupee note coin. This is 1 rupee coin. This is 1 rupee coin. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, and this is 2 rupee coin. So if you add them, you will get 5. So you can exchange with these coins. Next, 100 rupee note. So you cannot exchange with option 1 because 50 plus 20 is 70, but you have more valuation 100. But you cannot exchange with B because 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50, 4 times 50 rupees, that is 200 rupees, which is more than 100. So you can only exchange with 250 rupee note. two 50 rupee notes. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. So in this way we can exchange money. So next topic is rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. We know that the Indian currency in rupees and paise. Suppose we have 50 rupee note. So we can write rupee symbol then 50. But if I want to write 30 rupee 50 paise, I want to write 30 rupees 50 paise. So how to write? So at first we have to write the symbol, rupee symbol. Then this 30 rupee and 50 paise. But there is a gap. Here I will add a point. This is called decimal point. This is called decimal point, which separates rupees and paise. So in words 30 rupees 50 paise, but in numeral you have to write rupee symbol then 30.50. You always have to say 30.50. After the decimal point all the digits will be spelled individually. Okay, otherwise it would be wrong. 30.50. So before the decimal point the place will be for rupees. After the decimal point the place would be for paise. So when we want to write rupees and paise, at first rupee symbol, then rupee or rupees, then decimal point, then paise. Two parts are there, before the decimal point and after the decimal point. Before the decimal point always put the rupees amount, and after the decimal point the place would be for paise amount. Now let's see what is in our exercise. Okay, remember after the decimal point the digit will be always 2. After the decimal point the digits will be 2 digit always. Okay, suppose 5 rupees, suppose 50 rupees 5 paise. So how to represent? So rupees 50.5, no, it is 05. Always remember that. In paise there will be always 2 digit, or after the decimal point always you have to put 2 digit. If it is 2 digit it's okay, but if it is 1 digit then you have to add 0 before the digit. Okay. Question number 4. Tick the correct choice. 4 rupees 35 paise. So 4 rupees means only 04. So 04, or you can say 4, and rupee symbol and decimal point and 35. It is 35? No, 35. When we are presenting in decimal point, so always you have to say rupees 4.35. So rupees 4.35, or you can say 4 rupees 35 paise. So it is the correct. Similarly, question number B, 55 rupees 70 paise is correctly written as option A. 72 rupees 5 paise, yes, this is 72 rupees 5 paise. No, this is wrong. This is 50. 5 and 50. This is different. 5 and 50, two different numbers. So option B is the correct. I said when you are presenting the rupees in decimal point, so after the decimal point all the digits in paise section the digits will be always 2 digit. So it is 5. So how to represent as a 5 as a 2-digit number? So we add only 0 before the digit. So 5 as a 05. So option 2 is the correct. Okay, not 50. 50 is different numeral. Okay, question number 5. Write the following in words. 15.75. So rupees 15.75, that means 15 rupees 75 paise. You just have to write this one only. Second one, 29 rupees 50 paise. So in this way you have to solve this one. This is your HW. You have to do on your own. Now I'm coming to the next one. Addition of money. Suppose I want to purchase different kind of stuffs. Suppose I want to buy 3 pens. I want to buy 5 chocolates. I want to buy 3 pens with 5 chocolates with 5 color pens, color pencils. So in total, what we'll have to pay? That time we will add the money. And how to solve addition of money? Just look at the screen. Gaurav purchased a ball for rupees 45 and a skipping rope for rupees 24. So he bought 2 different kind of stuffs. One, a ball, another one, skipping rope. Then how much does he have to pay to the shopkeeper? Since he bought 2 items, so he have to pay the amount of 2 items. That means we have to add. Right? So how to add? So it is rupees 45 and it is rupees 24. So you have to first make column of rupees and paise. Then you have to write 45 in the rupee section. There is no paise. So in the paise section that would be 0, and in between rupees and paise you have to add just a decimal point. Similarly, for the 24 in the rupee section there is no paise. That means in the paise section that would be 2 zeros, and between rupees and paise you have to add the decimal point. And simple addition that we have done before, and you will get 69 rupees. Then Gaurav he has to pay rupees 69 or 69.00 to the shopkeeper. Okay, so in this way we can solve. Another one, let us take another example. Deepa bought a doll of rupees 45.50 and a bangle set for 34 rupees. So he does, how much does she have to pay to the shopkeeper? See, she bought 2 different stuffs. Okay, so she has to pay to different she has to pay the 2 different for the 2 different items. That means we have to add. If you add them, so I said at first make a column rupees and paise, then make rupees and paise, then in rupee section you have to write 45, and in paise since it is 50, so you have to write 50. There is a decimal point between rupees and paise. Similarly, the next one 34.00. If there is no paise, then you have to write just only 2 zeros in paise section. But you always have to write the decimal point. If you don't add this decimal point, then it would be wrong. So 79.50, and the answer is, so Deepa has to pay 79.50 to the shopkeeper. So basically we are adding the numerals. Very easy, and we can solve easily. So question number, I am starting from the question number B, simple addition. We will start from the paise section, because we know how to, when we are doing addition, always you have to start from the right hand side. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So 6 plus 3 is 9. There is decimal point, so you have to write decimal point. Then 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So rupees 87.95. This is the answer. Similarly, question number C is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Decimal point, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So in total, rupees 57.75. So this is your task, because you have to learn. So you should have to learn. So since you have to learn, then you have to do this exercise D to L. Okay. This is very easy examples and easy problems. Just you have to add the numbers as we have done before. Okay. But here what is the difference? Just you have to put the decimal point between rupees and paise, and you have to write rupee symbol before the numeral, because we are in the money chapter. Okay. Thank you.